Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We have another video today, and it's not about fishing, racing, or none of that. Today we're gonna paint my kitchen cabinets. I did this one over here yesterday, and I like how it came out. It looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other ones and show you guys how I did them. Alright, so first things first, I took off the doors. As you guys can see, they have 2 screws on each of one of those little spring things. So take those off, and then there's screws on here. I'll take those off. Same thing on here. Took all those off. All right, so that is done. Here's all the hardware, the screws. Done with those. You put those back on once you're done. So the next step is I'm gonna wipe down all these cabinets really good, especially this one and this one, because those are up there right directly above the kitchen, and those are the ones that get the most grease. So wipe those down really good. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna use. You don't need nothing fancy. Power degreaser. Put some in there. That's it. Get a cloth, a towel or something, makes it really good. And that's ready to go. So I'm gonna wipe down all these doors. Alright guys, I just wiped out those cabinets. So I'm just gonna do up to right here, from here this way, and then I'll do the rest tomorrow. So those are wiped down, just waiting for those to dry up. Like this one's out here drying up already. After that, I'm gonna get ready to paint. Alright, so I got this one's ready to start painting. So what I'm gonna do first is go all the way around. After that dries up, flip it and do the other side. Same thing with this one. So let's get it. Alright, so this is your first coat. Yeah, it looks all ugly and stuff. That's what it's supposed to look like. Just let that dry up. And then we're gonna go ahead and do a couple more coats, and that's gonna look a whole lot better. So just be patient, follow the process, and you'll be alright. Alright guys, so I just did the first light coat for the cabinets over here. You guys can see I put toothpicks where the holes were, where the screws going. That way when you're done, you just pull those out and you know exactly where the holes are, so you know they're looking for it. So first thing you want to do, light coat where with your brush, you know, the little tight spaces where a roller can't go in, because that's what I'm going to use for the big spots, for the big spaces like this. This is the kind of paint that I'm using. I got these on Amazon. I believe it was like $30 something. These are kind of brushes I'm using, and I'm using the 1.5 inches. And this is the roller I'm gonna use. I already used it yesterday. This works good. So for the brush, for the roller, I don't know what kind of brand it is. I forgot, but if you guys can find something similar, I'm sure it works just fine. So yeah. Now if you guys want to get a discount through Amazon, just mention that I send you guys, and you guys will get a nice discount. I'm just kidding, I don't have it like that. But Amazon, if you're listening to this and you wanna work together, send me a message. We could work something out. Alright guys, so I just flipped them over. This is the first coat, and this is the second coat with the roller for this one's. Let that dry up, do another coat. So it's 5 coats, and quick advice, when you do your coats, make sure you do it evenly, because if you start doing like coats right here and you miss some parts up here, remember, some of these places are going to have 3 coats, some are going to have 4 coats, some are going to have 5 coats. So if you don't do it evenly, you're going to have spots on there, and that's going to look ugly. So just keep that in mind. Alright guys, so I just put the cabinet doors back on, and this is what it looks like so far. What do you guys think? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Still got all of this to go. This and this, and I'll get back to you guys so we can wrap it up. Alright guys, so I am finally done. It took me a whole 2 days and a half. So that's done. Done. Interesting. It was a lot of prepping, a lot of unscrewing the hardware, putting it back on, letting the paint, the coats dry. Yeah, if you guys are thinking about doing the same thing, here's the paint. Go on Amazon, get yourself some brushes, a little roll, and you'll be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.